Ang inyong pagdating ngayong araw ay nagbibigay ng bagong pag-asa sa aming mga anak, sa aming mga apo, na sa pinakamalayong parte ng Pilipinas, sa isang sulok ng Pilipinas na napakalit na probinsya, merong hustisya na umiiral, merong tinatawag na justice.
Ready for takeoff.
Ang pagdating ng ating mga kagalang-galang na justices dito sa Sulu ay isang makasaysayan at di makakalimutang pangyayari sa ating mahal na lalawigan ng Sulu. As we break ground for the Sulu Hall of Justice, we are not merely laying the foundation of a building. We are laying the foundation of hope, fairness and dignity for our people, so that justice may be served in a house worthy of its noble purpose.
Ang itinatayo natin simula sa araw na ito ay hindi lamang isang gusali, kundi isang kinabukasang mas makatarungan, mas matatag at puno ng pag-asa para sa mamamayan ng Sulu.
Now, the Supreme Court, led by no less than our Chief Justice, has come to you. It is your Supreme Court.
The construction of this new Hall of Justice signifies a decisive step forward, giving a clear message that conflicts will be resolved not through discord or retribution, but through due process and the rule of law.
Pag nakita ng mga tao na may justice dito, tingin ko maniniwala na sila na mayroon na silang pupuntahan. They will never resort anymore to private justice.
Our people still suffer. They continue to suffer inequality, and in various aspects, they continue to be abused. I am confident that your leaders and that the judiciary will do our part, because during our watch, we will not fail them.